Taxi operator, passenger shot dead in Westmoreland. St. James man arrested following cocaine seizure. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A taxi operator and a passenger were shot dead in Robbins River, Westmoreland on Monday afternoon. They have been identified only by their aliases Pat and Twin. Preliminary reports are that the taxi operator, who pilots the White House to New Works route, was driving along Robbins River in the direction of White House when he and the female occupant were shot by armed men. The vehicle veered right and crashed into a tree in a residence yard. More details to come following further investigation. A St. James resident is in custody following the seizure of a quantity of cocaine at Love Lane, Montego Bay in St. James on Saturday, March 11. Reports are that about 6:15 a.m., lawmen conduct a joint police-military operation in the area where a premises was searched. 60 pieces of cocaine were found in a container beneath the house. The occupant of the premises was subsequently arrested. However, his identity is being withheld pending further investigations. The estimated street value of the illicit drug have not been asserted.